Hello, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you this house today, which may be potential flip. We never did flips before, so it's maybe new experience, but let me show you street first. And this area does not look any different to me like any other areas, but this is incline district, which in Cincinnati is one of the most growing areas, and prices here are really climbing up like crazy. So I just gonna show you how house look from outside. It has 2 units. Okay, and let's see the backyard first. This is the house next to it, and we have a tenant who allow me to see their place. Hello, are you coming in? Good. Okay, and this is the backyard. That's how it's look. I'm not sure if this is the entrance to the second unit or this one, but hopefully we're gonna find out. And I just met this guy who's gonna join me. He's working on a different house, like 2 houses down the street, and he hopefully gonna go partner with me in this one, and we can do this project together. So that's how it's look inside. Don't know what's really happened here, but we're gonna take a look. So most likely carpet need to go. This is the room. Okay. Just closet, another closet. Yep, we have light. Let's see, where is light here? Cannot find the light. Okay. No, not working. And I'm trying to find the kitchen here, which is right here. Yeah, it needs some work. So this door from the backyard, it's going straight there. Kitchen is gone. We probably had a water damage right here. That's all what we have. Hello. Yes, come on in. Yeah, did you get lost? Yeah, I was looking for a kitchen.
My eyes can't see it from the sun.
Okay, that's how bathroom look. And we're gonna go to the second floor, hopefully.
Oh,